Okay, Firelink. I just love how they score this stuff. They act like Firelink rounds are easy to get. Anyway, set it to something like that. Not as easy as they want you to believe. Keeps it going. 3. Hold on. Turn the other way too. And we got it back. That didn't work. Oh, they're so easy to get. Yeah, but when you use the demonstration model that you actually take out to the trade show, yeah, bonuses are easy to get because you're trying to show the game off. And you're trying to convince the casino owner, yeah, don't worry, this will not happen when we install the machine for you, don't worry. I'm not having a good day today, am I? Just one. I don't need 2. I don't need 2 to show off. I just need 1 to show up so I can stay above 8 million. How about that? It's alright. Surprised they kept it up this long after what I did a few episodes back. Guess we'll have to take that. Yep. guess these free games have the wild wall come down. And you want to sit there and believe that they're all going to come down. Three more. $48 on that. And turn it. Yep, catch a chameleon. Not have a good time with it last time. And the way it is, I hate the magnification on it. YouTube had a pretty good thing going, and now they just want to populate the whole place with short little 60-second clips of nothing. $2.97 to fix the Adonis statue on Aphrodite Avenue. Remember to write that down. Yep. Back to the notebook. So we removed the volcanic rock from Aphrodite Avenue. Okay. Behold, my dearest, our new and improved statue. Yeah. I don't think that looked like that before. Thanks for that, I think. That's some quality work there. Where's all... Wow. Yeah, you really showed your stuff there. You really shouldn't have done that much, no. $240,000 for that one. Oh, now I must get back to my work. Haha. But first, a proper voyage must be made. $315 Monopoly dollars in the next episode. Anybody who's made it this far, thank you for watching. For my nieces and nephews and everybody else, I will see you in the next video.